How to turn off auto accept on the Uber app. Now this method, it's basically just stopping the requests, the drive requests on the Uber app, since usually it is said that if you go ahead into permissions, there should be an option to turn it off. So you go ahead into offline mode, go to the bottom right, which is the triple bar icon. You can go ahead into preferences, and you should be able to find it here. But most of the time you will only find this, which is toggling off services and which services you want or not. But the other method, technically, it could still be like this. You can go ahead and go on online and press on the triple bar icon again, and you will be able to see this. You can go ahead and stop new requests, which will, of course, stop the upcoming requests, which will technically no longer make it automatic. And if you want to go back to getting requests, you can go ahead and press on the X button over here. But those are your options if you want to go ahead and do this. Hopefully this video helps with its info. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.